you hiding from the doggy? Be good, boy. Ah! He's taking your sippy cup. He's eating your food that you dropped on the floor. Who's that doggy, Jerry? Why are we underneath the table, Callie? He's going to get you! He's going to get you! He got you! He came to get you. You go get that doggy.